Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And what we have today is in our mud ground we have 8 beautiful safari animals, and let's start our video. Our first safari animal is this lion, beautiful biggest lion. Let's watch him. Lion is clean now. Beautiful lion. And our next animal, second animal is beautiful rhinoceros. Safari animal. Oh, this rhino is full with mud. Let's wash him. Rhinoceros is clean now. Beautiful rhino. And our third animal is this beautiful wildcat, dangerous tiger. Beautiful. Let's watch him. Tiger is clean now. Beautiful tiger. And our fourth animal is we have this beautiful safari animal, giraffe. Let's watch him. Giraffe is clean now.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
And our fifth animal is this beautiful cheetah, safari animal. Let's watch him. Cheetah is clean now. And our sixth animal is we have panda, beautiful safari animal. Let's watch him. Panda is clean now. And our seventh animal is we have this beautiful zebra, safari animal. Let's watch him. Giant zebra, big zebra. Zebra is clean now. Okay. And our last and eighth animal is this biggest elephant, big size elephant. You can see. Let's watch it. Elephant is clean now. Okay. So friends, like and subscribe our channel.